Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show you how to create a Telegram account on Android, so let's start. So for creating a Telegram account, you have to have a phone number, of course. Then you will introduce here your phone number. You can select the country that you prefer. There are many countries that are available on Telegram. You can select the one that you prefer for creating your account. Then you will add your phone number. Okay, in this case I select this one and I select this phone number. Then you can click here on sign your contacts for this phone number, and when you do it, just click here on the blue arrow here, and you will transfer to your new Telegram account. You can add a number and name, and then just click here. In my case, this is a phone number that is virtual phone number, and well, this is not available, but it's only an example here. And then just right here click yes, and then you have to enter your code for your phone number. When you do it, for example, I will write it, you will send to your new Telegram account. That's how you can do it, how you can sign up on Telegram completely free and very easy to way. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.